We're looking at breakfast on July 23rd. This breakfast consumed 610 total calories. It was a high-fat breakfast as indicated by the red healthy factor icon. We're looking at 57% on the amount of fat, and only a modest amount of protein at 28 grams. Let's navigate to our lunch meal. Again, we're at the same day. It's July 23rd. This meal consumes 348 calories, modest amount of fat as evidenced by the orange healthy factor icon. In this case, 36%. Not much protein, only 10 grams from the meal. Next, we'll navigate to our supper meal. Again, the date is July 23rd. This meal gave us 1,738 total calories. Another high-fat meal. We've got the red healthy factor icon. In this case, 46% calories came from fat. Decent amount of protein, though. We picked up 59 grams. Now that we've entered all of our meals, we'll open the daily calorie snapshot report. All three meals contributed 2,696 calories. Note that our BMR is 2712, so we were under our total calorie budget by 16 calories. I'll also point out that we did not log any exercises this day. We picked up 96.8 grams of protein. That's a little short of our goal, which is a minimum of 120 grams of protein, and that's based upon the personal profile of the individual whose records we're looking at. We'll close the daily calorie snapshot report, and we'll open the nutrition history report. This report covers a period of time from the current date back 31 days. There are a total of 31 days in the report range, and we ended up logging all of our meals for every one of those days. Of significant importance is the fact that during this 1-month period of time, we logged 21 exercises with an average exercise burn of 794 calories. Because there were actually 31 days in the range, on average, the exercises gave us 538 calories per day, subtracting from the calories we ate. Accordingly, although our target daily BMR was 2712, on average, we were under our daily BMR by 549 calories, giving us a net daily calorie intake after allowing for exercises of 2,162 calories. During this evaluation period, we averaged 389 protein calories every day. Since there are 4 calories per gram of protein, we basically averaged 97 grams of protein every day. Again, this is short of our goal. The goal was actually 120 grams of protein every day. On wrapping this up, I'll point out that because we were under our target BMR by 549 calories every day, well, we could have, or should have, lost 4.87 pounds during the evaluation period. That completes the daily nutrition review. We'll close the nutrition history report.